All right, so look up, please. Yet another question on variable separable differential equation. My first task, as usual, move y terms to the y left hand side of the equation, move x terms to the x right hand side of the equation. So what to do here is very simple. Move this man over here, yeah, move this one over here. So I'll have that dy all over. This man comes down here. These two can swap. So y ln y, it's equal. This man goes up here. Dx all over x. Observe that the y terms are now with this one here on this side, and then this. What's my next step there? Integrating. Integrating. I'll have the integral of dy all over y ln y is equal to the integral of dx over x. Aha. So this is where you say we should stop. What next again? What next? Hmm? Okay, so shift them out. Shift them out. Becomes integral of 1 all over this one here. Y ln y, of course, to dy. It's equal to the integral of 1 over x dx. Okay, so what next? Break it. Give me iron. Give me iron. So you'd have told my child to break it. Chai! Please, oh, how do you work on this? What do you do here? All right, so look up. Look up, please. Look up, please. Look up, please. I think most persons are used to what's it called, x. So let me do it in x form so that it becomes easier for you to assimilate. So look up. If we have the y or integral of 1 all over x ln x dx. Let me use x, please, because most persons are used to x. How to integrate this? Your first task is to say let u be equal to this one here, ln x. Differentiate this. Du dx is equal to what do you have here? 1 over x. Please, from here, what's the x here? What will x be? The x comes here, right? X goes here, right? So what do you have there? X times x du is equal to dx times 1. So dx is x du. All right. If I do that, this will be equal to the integral of 1 all over x. This is u, right? Look, this is u, right? U dot, what's the x? X du. So this will cancel this. This is now equal to integral of 1 over u dot du. Please integrate 1 over u. What do you get there? Ln u, of course, plus c. What's u? So this is equal to ln of ln x. It's called ln x. Ln of ln x. That's it. In essence, look up, please. What would this give you? Hey, look up now, look up. If I integrate 1 all over x ln x, I get ln x. So change this to y. What would you get here? I say ln y. Sorry. Ln into ln y. Is that okay, please? I've done the solving there. Is equal to integrate 1 over x. What do you get there? In x plus c. How do you get y from here? What do you do? Copy this. I want to clean up, please. Taking this off, please. Lin y. All right. How do I work on this? What do I do? How do I get y from here? What do I do? Okay. First things first. I know that I've said this already before. I said if you have lin y simply means log y to base e. And if I have log 32 to base 2 being equal to 5, that means 2 to the power 5 equals 32. So if I have ln y, that's simply log e. Ln of ln y, I have this. Look up, please. Ln of ln y is equal to what I have there, ln x plus c. So we said 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32. This one here, 32, that's this one here, ln y is simply equal to 2 to the power 5. That's exponential ln x plus c. I have this. But we still have ln y here. How do you get y? What do you do? Do something again. Ln y equals, how do you solve this? What do you do? So look up, please. Ln simply means log to e of ln y is equal to ln x plus c. From here, we can say that ln y, as we said there, ln y is simply equal to this exponential to this ln x plus c. I have this. So I have this. Repeating this again would mean I'll have exponential to exponential. Nah, that's messy. Leave it here. Is that? Is that? I'm not with you on that part too. Just leave it there. But although on the number is supposed to make y to be subject of the formula. For now, leave it there. Because doing this, taking the same thing would now be y will be equal to exponential ln x plus c, which is probably possible, but it looks so messy. So just leave it at this part. No problem. No problem. No problem. All right, leave it that problem. No problem.
Get more by joining our Differential Equations channel membership or visit www.joniemanual.com/courses and get the Differential Equations Made Easy course. Both links in video description.